Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Now I will show the currency from Japan. Japan is the country in Asia and the currency is called yen. It is a beautiful half rupees which was the issue of Japan and Myanmar issue, which is also called Japan and Burma issue. It was the issue of 1942 to 1944 at the time of World War II. It is the front side of this note. Every corner represents the value of 1/2, which is half rupees. On the center, here is mentioned here the Japanese government. Under that, here is mentioned here half rupees, and it is the picture of Ananda Temple, which is in Burma or Myanmar, and it was the front side of this note, and it is the back side of this note. On the back side, here is mentioned here half and half on the both side, which is represent the value of this note, and its size is 120 millimeter. This side is 120 millimeter, and this side is 58 millimeter. I have a beautiful 1 yen, which was the issue of 1946. It is a very old issue, and it is the front side of this note. On the right side, it is the picture of Ni Nogoya Shuntoku. He was the philosopher in Japan at that time, and on the top of the left and bottom, here is mentioned here 1 yen, and on the bottom it is the picture of a chicken. It was the front side of this note, and it is the back side. The back side, which is represent the value of 1 yen on the both side, and on the bottom here is mentioned here 1 yen. I have a beautiful $1. It is the issue of Japan and the Malaysia issue. It is the issue of 1942 at the time of World War II. On the center, here is mentioned here the government of Japan, and the both sides represent the value of 1. On the center, here is mentioned here $1. It was the front side of this note, and it is the back side. On the back side, every corner represents the value of 1, and center also 1, and the both side, which is also represent $1. It is a beautiful 5 cent. It is a very small note. It is also the issue of Japan and the Malaysia issue, and this is the front side. On the center, here is mentioned here the government of Japan, and below that here is mentioned here 5 cent. The both sides represent the denomination value, which is 5, and it was the issue of 1942, which is also the World War II issue, and it is the back side. Every corner represents the value of 5, and the middle here is mentioned here 5. Its size is 100 millimeter. This side is 100 millimeter, and this side is 48 millimeter. I have a beautiful 5 rupees, which was the issue of Japan and Myanmar, or the Burma issue, and it is the front side of this note. Every corner represents the value of 5, and on the top here is mentioned here the government of Japan. Center represents the value, which is 5 rupees. It is a picture of a coconut tree on the left side, and on the right side it is the picture of Anand Temple, which is in Burma, and it is the issue of 1942 to 1944, also the World War II issue, and it is the backside of this note. Both sides represent the value of 5, center also represent 5, and its size is 151 millimeter. This side is 151 millimeter and this side is 71 millimeter. I have a beautiful 10 cent. It is a very small note, which is the issue of 19 and 47, and it is the front side of this note. On the right side, it is the picture of 2 birds. On the middle, here is something written in the Japanese language. It was the front side. Every corner represents the value of 10, and this is the back side. On the back side, it is the Parliament House of Japan, and here is mentioned here 10, and the bottom here is also mentioned here 10 cent, and its size is 101 millimeter. This side is 101 millimeter and this side is 52 millimeter. I have another beautiful 10 cents, which was the issue of 19 and 42, and it is the front side of this note, and it is the issue of Japan and Myanmar issue, also called the Burmese issue, and every corner represents the value of 10. On the center, here is mentioned here the Japanese government, and below that here is mentioned here 10 cents. It was the front side of this note, and it is the back side. Also in back side, center represents the value 10 and every corner mentioned 10, and its size is 107 millimeter. This side is 107 millimeter and this side is 56 millimeter. I have a beautiful 10 pesos. It is the issue of Japan and Philippines, which is the 1943 issue, and it is the picture of the front side. Here is left side, it is mentioned here 10. On the right side, both top and bottom mentioned 10. On the center, here is mentioned here the government of Japan. Center represent 10 pesos. On the left side, it is the statue of in Philippines. It was the front side of this note, and it is the back side. Every corner represents the value of 10, and the middle, which is the logo of pesos. It is a beautiful 10 rupees, which is also the Japan and Myanmar issue. It is the issue of 1942 to 1944, and this is the front side. Every corner also represents the value of 10. On the left side, it is the picture of some leaves and a tree of the coconut. On the right side, it is the picture of Anand Temple, which is in Burma. On the middle, here is mentioned here the government of Japan, and below that here is mentioned here 10 rupees. On the bottom, here is mentioned here 10. It was the front side of this note, and it is the back side. On the back side, center represents the value of 10 rupees, and the both side also represent 10, and its size is 160 millimeter. This side is 160 millimeter and this side is 76 millimeter. I have a beautiful 100 yen, which was the issue of 19 and 53, and this is the front side. On the front side, every corner represents the value of 100, And the center, left side on center, here is mentioned here 100. It was the front side of this note, and it is the back side. Back side represent the value of 100 yen on the bottom, and it is the Parliament House on the right side. On the left side, it is mentioned 100 in a circle. It was the back side of this note. And finally, I have a beautiful 100 rupees, which was the issue of Japan and Myanmar, also called Burmese issue. And it is the issue of 1942 to 1944. And this is the front side. Every corner represents the value of 100. And the left side center also represent 100. On the middle, it is the logo of Japan government and 100 rupees. On the right side, it is the picture of Anand temple, which is in Burma, and it was the front side. And it is the back side. Back side, every corner and the center and the both side represent 100, and its size is 170 millimeter. This side is 170 millimeter, and this side is 80 millimeter. And finally, I have those beautiful banknotes from Japan and the Japanese issue, which is in my collection.